Today we're going to be installing the S23 screen protector from Samsung. First, let's get it out the box and install it. In the box, you'll find two boxes and some instructions. In one of the boxes are the two film screen protectors, and then in the other, you get an installation jig, a couple of dust stickers, a microfiber cloth, and a squeegee. Interestingly, there's no wet wipe in the packaging. Let's install it and see if it's any good. First of all, remove the protective plastic from the installation jig. Then you can set your phone in, ensuring the charging port is facing the jig. Next, you'll want to clean the screen. Personally, I would recommend using glasses cleaner if you have some around to lift off all the grease so nothing's left behind. If you don't have one, just skip this step. So grab the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen clean and dry. Then grab the dust sticker and dab it on the screen, removing any dust. Now you can grab the screen protector and remove the protective film in the center of it. Then carefully place this onto the jig, which will perfectly line it up with the screen on the phone. Now before you put it down, grab the squeegee and then push it up the phone so the center of the screen protector is stuck down. Now you can lift the top part of the screen protector towards you and push the squeegee up the phone, which will stick it down and remove the protective plastic layer. Now spin the phone around and repeat. With this method, you shouldn't have any bubbles. However, if they are, just push them towards the edge with the squeegee. Now finally, lift off the last protective layer. And there you go, it's installed. Now it's installed, let's take a quick look. What I really like about this official screen protector is that it's incredibly thin and the installation process is easy as long as you follow it exactly step by step. Film screen protectors in general are incredibly thin, so there's no bulk added to the phone, and this film screen protector will easily fend off any scratches. However, if you're looking for something to protect the glass long term, I would recommend a glass screen protector. If you'd like to buy the screen protector, check out the links in the description below, and make sure you stick around for more S23 content.